What links falling poo and bad food? Turns out it's aeroplanes. There's a bit of a myth around plane toilets. Do they launch the toilet contents mixed with blue disinfectant mid-flight? No. Whilst there have been some historic plane loo ejections, these have never been deliberate. Instead, modern planes use a vacuum system to empty the toilets into a tank inside the plane. On the ground, this is an electronic pump, but up in the air, they use the difference between the low air pressure outside the plane and the high air pressure inside the plane. This actually makes the toilet flush more powerful the higher you are in the air. But what about the infamous bad food? Well, some of it is air pressure again. The mixture of air pressure and really dry air makes our sense of taste and smell act really differently. This means plain food is made overly salty and sweety so it tastes better in the air, but it often makes it taste really weird back on the ground. So next time you eat on a plane or go to the loo, you can think about all the chemistry that's involved.